I did not expect this to be my first day in Mogadishu, Somalia. So, I'm sitting at a very popular beach called Lido Beach at a really nice cafe overlooking the Indian Ocean. Some of the most beautiful beaches. Tons of local people out here enjoying themselves, swimming, getting in the water. I'm trying some Somali food. I did not know that much about Somali food going in, but they have this combo. They basically take bananas, hot spice, this green pepper, very, very spicy. You gotta be careful with it. And then they have this rice, and it's got this very like Indian flavor. There's a lot of, you can taste like the cinnamon in there. There's raisins. It's a really nice flavor. And so you combine all of those together, like rice and bananas. I didn't think I would love how this tastes. And so I came into Mogadishu with an open mind, and I am, wow, day one.